All right, you beautiful bastard. Show me what you got. Peter, you can run now, and no one will call you a quitter. What am I saying? No! I learned how to use stickers, and I can learn how to use this. Oh, this is awesome!
This whale's beached himself. He needs to get back in the water or he'll die.
Step aside. I'll handle this. Give me some room. You're welcome. Oh, cool shell. This is what it's all about, huh, Duke? 600 gallons of beer in one.